Okay, students, welcome back. I hope you can listen to me. So, is everyone clear about the last problem that we did? Are there any questions? Okay, so in the last problem, we use a electrical equivalent circuit to drive not only the electrical parameters but also the mechanical parameters. What is not clear? Yasir Ijaz, what is not clear to you? Is everyone clear about this? Okay, the main thing that I tried to show you was that you use the electrical. I hope you can see this book, right? Can everybody see the screen? Can everybody see the screen? Okay, so we basically know that we can solve the induction motor using the equivalent electrical circuit, and the electrical circuit not only help us to find the electrical parameters such as the stator current, stator copper loss, core loss, rotor copper loss, but also the mechanical parameter such as converted power. So this converted power is a mechanical parameter after all the electrical losses are gone. And from this converted power, we need to just subtract the rotating losses to find the output power which is going to the motor. The only thing we need to be careful is when we supply the parameters, they are all per phase. In the data, all these parameters R1, JX1, R2, JX2 are also given per phase. This voltage you will have to find for the phase. In the three-phase machine, the data is given in line. So you have to find this for phase. You will get this phase current and everything. And in order to find the stator copper loss, you find I1 square R1, but then you multiply it by 3 to find the three-phase stator copper loss. Similarly, if you want to find the core loss, it will be equal to E1 square divided by RC times 3. If you want to find the three-phase rotor copper loss, it will be 3 times I2 square times R2. And if you find the converted power, it will be equal to 3 times I2 multiplied by R2 into 1 minus S over S. So this will give you the three-phase converted power. And in order to find the uh, output power and the load torque and the induced torque, you have to use the formula for induced torque. It is equal to air gap power divided by synchronous speed. And you have to be very careful that in this formula you have to use SI unit. So the synchronous speed will be in not in RPM but in radian per second. Similarly, for this load torque formula, output power will also be in watts, and the motor speed, not the synchronous speed, it has to be in the radians per second. So you can find the efficiency of the motor by dividing the two P out over Pn, and the efficiency comes out to be 83.7%. Okay, so up till here is the syllabus for your quiz 2. In the Wednesday class, you will have a quiz 2. And this time I will not accept any excuses about LMS. You have to submit in on time. You must try to submit your work 5 minutes before the time so that there is no problem with the LMS. And if this time you are having problems with the LMS, there will be no retake of a quiz 2. Okay, so because I had already taken quiz 2 before, and this will be the last time I'm taking quiz 2. Please submit well before the time. If I'm giving you 40 minutes for the quiz, that means that the actual duration for the quiz was just 20 minutes. I'm just giving you extra 20 minutes to cater for all the LMS issues. Please try to submit on time. And I think this is going to be the last week before the midterm exams, and from next Monday you are going to be having your midterm exams. So you will have done CLO1 and you have also done CLO2. CLO1 was the topics before the transformer, and CLO2 has the topics transformers and induction motors. So you have done extensive practice problems for both. uh, and I hope you will do well in the quiz and in the midterm exam. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture. Class leader, please send me the attendance after the class immediately. Thank you
सर
so much.
सर असाइनमेंट 1 के मार्क्स के बारे में पूछना था।
क्या पूछना था?
सर वो मार्क्स नहीं लगे उसमें।
तुमने जमा नहीं कराई होगी इसलिए नहीं लगे।
सर वो व्हाट्सएप पे कराया था ना, आपको रीज़न बताया था कि
हाँ,
वो स्विच। सर टाइम।
क्या रीजन था तुम्हारा?
सर मैंने जो है इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स का जो असाइनमेंट है वो मैंने पावर में सबमिट करवा दिया था।
बहुत अच्छा है किया। तो अब पावर की टीचर से ही नंबर लो उसके। चलो अच्छा है, अल्लाह हाफिज।